Hey everyone, this is not a tutorial, but just a tips that I want to share with you guys because it helped me a lot. Because my native language is not English, when I use Blender, I have to translate. The translation in Blender is really great, and I figured out a way just use one click to toggle the translation. So we don't have to go to the preference to click every time, because mainly we want to use in English just to see something that we are not sure in the native language. We just go to the preference, and in the interface area there's a translation, and just choose any language that you want to translate to, and then just click here, and the interface, it will translate to whatever language you want to translate. Now we want to make a hotkey, so just go to the key mapping and go to the window. Add new. At first it will look something like this, and we want to make it something like this. This is the one that I already make. So just copy the line in the description, and then just press this to here, and copy this to here, and make a hotkey you feel like you're comfortable. I'll use Shift T because I already have, so it will jump to this. I will use Shift T because T for translation, and I think it's okay for me. Shift T also have another hotkey for that, but I think it's okay because I will say it later. And then you can save preference, or you can save it as a file, and that you can import or output. So after that, whenever you click the hotkey Shift key, it will translate to the language that you want, and it's very useful, so we don't have to click here anytime, every time. So the Shift T also work with this, like if you click on the light, the Shift T, you click Shift T, the light will follow your cursor. I don't think it's a big deal, because that's the only time when I click on the light. So if I'm not on the light, it will use as a translation. So I hope that is going to help you for the people that is not using English. Because my native language is Chinese, 所以我希望以后也许会做一些中文的影片，如果大家觉得会希望我做的话，也可以留言告诉我。Back to English. By the way, this is a tutorial right now I'm making. Actually, I was going to make a tutorial for beginner, but once I get into it, I just do more and more and more. So it kind of get a little bit complicated, but I will still try to make it simpler for beginner. So that will be our next tutorial. Just want to make a video for beginner that more people can use this awesome geometry node. And also thank you for everyone that is subscribing. I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers so that I can turn on some function. Yeah. So that will be now. Thank you. Bye bye.